Day 5 Nutrition Plan, Cardio and Strength Breakfast, Green Power Smoothie. Ingredients: spinach, kale, a green apple, half a cucumber, a scoop of plant-based protein powder, and coconut water. Nutritional info: approximately 1,800 kilojoules, 2 grams fat, 25 grams protein, 400 calories. Benefits: provides a high dose of vitamins and hydration to start the day energized. Mid-morning snack: nut butter on rice cakes. Ingredients: whole grain rice cakes topped with almond butter and slices of banana. Nutritional info: approximately 1,200 kilojoules, 9 grams fat, 4 grams protein, 270 calories. Hydration: accompany with 500 milliliters of water. Lunch: grilled turkey burger. Ingredients: lean ground turkey patty, whole grain bun, lettuce, tomato, and avocado. Nutritional info: approximately 2,500 kilojoules, 20 grams fat, 30 grams protein, 600 calories. Vitamins and benefits: rich in protein for muscle repair and healthy fats for energy. Afternoon snack: Greek yogurt with mixed berries. Ingredients: plain Greek yogurt with a mix of fresh berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Nutritional info: approximately 850 kilojoules, 1 gram fat, 20 grams protein, 200 calories. 3. Hydration: drink 250 milliliters of water. Dinner: baked salmon with quinoa and asparagus. Ingredients: salmon fillet, cooked quinoa, and steamed asparagus spears. Nutritional info: approximately 2,200 kilojoules, 22 grams fat, 34 grams protein, 500 calories. Vitamins and benefits: high in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, excellent for heart health and muscle recovery. Evening snack: handful of almond. Ingredients: a small handful of raw almonds. Nutritional info: approximately 600 kilojoules, 14 grams fat, 6 grams protein, 170 calories. 3. Hydration: finish the day with a glass of water. Hydration throughout the day. 1. Maintain a target of 3.5 liters of water throughout the day to aid in hydration, especially important after cardio and strength training. Vitamin requirements and benefits. Vitamin B12, crucial for energy production. Found in turkey and salmon. 2. Iron, important for oxygen transport in the blood. 2. Lean meats like turkey are great sources. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, essential for reducing inflammation. 3. Salmon is a top source. Sleep and rest. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep to allow for muscle recovery and prepare for the next day's activities. Encouragement. Today's focus is on building strength and enhancing cardiovascular health. Your meals are designed to fuel intense workouts and aid in recovery. Keep pushing your limits, and nourish your body to achieve your best. Subscribe and turn on notifications now, so you don't miss out on transforming your body and mind with the perfect synergy of exercise and nutrition. Let's get stronger together. Follow me, https://www.instagram.com/bradstyle_creates. See you in Day 6's Nutrition Plan video.